The small crown. First, we'll crochet the body. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Working into a magic ring. Make a loop around your middle finger, and pinch the crossover of the yarn with thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger, yarn over the hook and put up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets, finally end with 1 slip stitch. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Place the marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Insert hook into the magic ring, yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Insert hook into the magic ring, yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Stick V shapes on the side, stand for 6 single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop through the stitch. Then pull the first loop on hook through the edge loop on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch. The slip stitch serves a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with a chain stitch and then work 6 increases. Finally end with 1 slip stitch. With 1 chain stitch first, yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We should insert hook through both loops of the V shapes to finish the following stitches. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. First, put 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's one increase. There are 2 V shapes on the side. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Six increases are done. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the mark stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop through the stitch. Then put the first loop on hook through the urgent loop on the hook. That's one stitch. The slip stitch serves a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work a cycle up 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, yarn over the hook, and pull through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The third set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fifth set for 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The sixth set for 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The slip stitch serves a connection. It is now counted into the number of stitches. Round 3 is done.